So I just released a video making this end table. Some very, very weird looking end table. If you haven't seen the build video for that, I'll put a link in the description. I thought it would be nice to talk about it. When I said in the video, I really had no idea what I wanted to build or how I wanted to build this when I started. That was true. I had no idea. I knew I wanted some kind of circular top as an excuse to use my circle jig for the bandsaw. But yeah, I mean, I kind of like how it turned out. It's a little weird. At first, when I was making the circle top and it had uh, this Roman OG bit edge on the top and flat, it had kind of a Roman or Greek type of look, I guess, obviously. So I was thinking about making kind of a pillar end table. I thought that would maybe be cool. That might be something I try eventually. But for this, I kind of got distracted with this different approach of trying out just different curves and all that. And as I was working through that, I was like, oh, it's kind of cool. It looks antlerish. And I started thinking about how like it's kind of a rare thing, but there's like, drink tables or like whiskey tables just to hold a drink or something like that. I don't know. It's something I heard of before, I thought. So I was like, I I like Yeg. I so I was like, I don't know, it's kind of, a take on a whiskey table, but for Yeg. Um yeah, turned out pretty good. For the finish I used some older Danish oil and something went wrong with that. I don't know exactly what it was. It really wasn't drying correctly and it was kind of gummy. No, like really thick. I don't know if something was wrong there. I didn't mix it properly or something. So I actually had to wipe it all down, try to clean it up as much as I could, and then reapply it. And obviously, you don't see that in the video. And on the new coat, there's some spots where it's like they're much darker and you can kind of tell. But overall, turned out pretty good. So yeah, I'm hoping to make some more end table projects with the jigs I'm making. I don't know. Tell me what you think. I don't know. What do you think about this? It's a little weird, but it was kind of a fun project. I guess something I wanted to say is it's like it was really nice as a change of pace. I try to make more jigs on my channel because those videos tend to do better, but it was kind of fun to make furniture, an end table, but just kind of go into it with no idea what I wanted to build. Just start slapping things together, just start cutting wood. So there's kind of a, I don't know, a lesson there or kind of a motivating thing. Some people have trouble getting motivated when they have woodworking as a hobby to get started on a project. They have some picture of something they want to build and they just don't start because they're all concerned about making it perfect and having just the right look. But sometimes you just gotta start building, I guess. Just stop thinking and start slapping things together. Um, it's probably the best way I can make that sound. But yeah, I don't know. Tell me what you think of this. Kind of fun or what I should maybe make next.